I am Pragya Mishra and I am the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. We have Dr. Ajit, who is a renowned expert in people development with over 17 years of experience. He's a certified coach, consultant, and trainer with a passion for helping individuals and organizations achieve their full potential. Hi, Dr. Ajit. It is great to have you here.
Hi, Pragya. Thank you so much.
If there's someone who's trying to build a very diverse and inclusive culture and building a training program, what are the top three things that in your experience you will suggest a person keeps in mind while building this program and culture?
See, whenever you're trying to build an inclusive culture, or maybe in terms of learning, development, or whatever, it can be any initiative. The first very important factor is, like leadership investment, leadership buy-in. Because unless until any initiative, anything else, if it doesn't have, like the buy-in from the top leadership, it would tend to fail. That's very important.
Yeah.
Second thing is, like understanding the right kind of requirement, the need. Like maybe so maybe let's say that yes, there is this the era of digital disruption, technology, advancement, AI, means machine learning, VR and all that. Now let us jump into LXP. But I also have to say that what is the readiness of my organization for this implementation of any learning initiative, or maybe any new learning technology per se, whether it's LMS or LXP, whatever it may be. AI, AR, VR, or whatever. So that also I'll have to see that what is the like readiness of my organization.
Yeah.
So maybe leadership readiness, the base level readiness and all that, and then I have to see that what is that would fit in my internal readiness and what is available there in the market, whether that is a right match or not. It's not that for the sake of doing, or maybe for the sake, because organizations in and around are doing, for the sake of that, I will also jump into it. But then what?
Right.
So only jumping would not suffice. Whether I'm really able to swing in that learning, periphery domain in the zones, that's very important. And then after investment, what is my ROI? That's very important.
Correct.
Whether we are talking about return on investment, whether we are talking about return on time invested, or whether we are talking about ROE, return on expectation. So whatever we want to measure, that's also very important.
Right. So basically you've summed up everything that is a part of L&D, but keeping inclusion and diversity in mind, because people feel that ROI is always important while driving such programs. But then you have stressed on the fact that the organization also has to be ready for creating these programs internally, and then what is available out there as the resource.